Hello students, I'm Sir Toph, your online tutor. And today's lesson will feature 5 computation shortcuts that you can use in competition as well as in answering practical problems in school. The shortcuts will include multiplying any 2-digit number by 11, squaring any 2-digit number ending in 5, multiplying complementary numbers, multiplying numbers near 100, and squaring any 2-digit number ending in 9. Now if you have your pen and notebook with you, let's get started. When multiplying a 2-digit number by 11, say for example 36 times 11, first separate the digit of your number. 3, 6. Leave a blank in the middle, then add the digits of your number. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Place it in the blank. Now the product of 36 and 11 is 396. Another example, say 43 times 11. Separate the digits of your number. 4, 3. Leave a blank in the middle. Add the digits 4 and 3. That gives you a sum of 7. Place it in the blank. Then the product now is 473. Another example, let's say 78 times 11. So following the steps earlier, separate the digits of the number 78 into 2. 7, 8. Leave a blank in the middle. Now in this case, since the sum of 7 and 8 is 15 and that is more than 9, place the units digit of the sum, which is 5, in the blank, and the tens digit, which is 1, will be added to the hundreds place of the product. So this is plus 1. So in this case, the product now of 78 and 11 is 858. Now try this. First, separate, leave a blank, add 9 and 9, 8, 1. The product now is 1089. In squaring any 2-digit number ending in 5, say 35 squared, first, get the square of the units digit, which is 5. That is 25. Next, square the tens digit of your number, so that is 3 squared or 9. Then add the same digit, plus 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. The product now of 35 squared is 1225. Another example, let's say we have 75 squared. So first, get the square of the units digit, which is 5. This is 25. Get the square of the tens digit, that is 7. So 7 squared is 49, plus the same digit, 49 plus 7, that gives you a value of 56. So the square now of 75 is 5,625. Next, multiplying complementary numbers. By the way, complementary numbers are numbers whose tens digits are the same and whose units digits, when added, gives a sum of 10. Now, the process is similar to squaring 2-digit numbers ending in 5. So, first, you need to multiply the units digits. 8 times 2, that gives you a product of 16. Now, since the tens digits are the same, you may just square the tens value, which is 6 squared or 36, then add up the same number. So 36 plus 6, 42. Now the product when multiplying 68 and 62 is 4,216. So another example, 94 times 96. Multiply the units digits. 4 times 6, that's 24. 9 times 9, it's 81. Plus 9, 90. So the product is 9,024. Next, we have multiplying numbers near 100. So our first example, we have 96 times 98. What you need to do is to get the difference between 100 and the numbers. So 100 minus 96, that gives you a difference of 4. Next, 198, that is 2. After that, multiply these two differences. 4 times 2, that gives you a value of 8. This value will serve as the tens and units digit of our answer. So here we will write 0, 8. Next, subtract a difference, say 4, to its opposite number. So opposite number, 98. 98 minus 4, that is 94. Prefix this value to 08, then this is now our product. That's 9,408. Also notice that if you subtract the other difference, which is 2, by the opposite number, 96, it will yield to the same result. It's 9,408. Now try this second example. 94 times 97. Subtract these two numbers from 100. So difference here is 6. Difference here is 3. Next, multiply these two digits or these two differences. You'll have 18. Subtract a difference to opposite number. 97 minus 6, that gives you a value of 91. So the product here is 9,118. Now on the next two examples, it will still get the difference between 102 and 100. So that's a difference of 2. 104 and 100, which is 4. You will also multiply the differences. 2 times 4, that's 8. It will serve as the tens and units digits in our answer or in our product later. So you write 0, 8. Now this time, since the numbers are greater than 100, you will add the number or a difference by its opposite number. So 2, instead of subtraction, you will add this one by its opposite number. Lesser than 100, subtract. Higher than 100, you need to add. So 104 plus 2, that's 106. So the product obtained when 102 is multiplied by 104 is 10,608. Now try this example. Get the difference. 105 minus 100, 108 minus 100, multiply 5 and 8, that's 40. Add 5 and 108, that's 113. So the product obtained when 105 is multiplied by 108 is 11,340. In squaring any two-digit number ending in 9, say 39 squared, first, think what number comes after 39. Obviously, you will say it's 40. Now get the square of 40. That will be 1,600. Next, add 39 and 40. The sum will be 79. Now subtract this sum from 1,600. The difference will be 1,521. This is also the value when you square 39. Now try this. 89 squared. Next number after 89 is 90. Get the square of 90. That's 8,100. Add up 89 and 90. That gives you a sum of 179. Find the difference. So this will be 0, 9, 10. 8 will now be 7. That is 10. So 10 minus 9 gives you a value of 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. Then bring down 7. Now, the square of 89 is the same as 7,921. For our magic trick, this is what we call the traveler's card. So, what we need is just an ordinary deck of playing cards. Yan. Then we already get 3 cards, si Ace of Hearts, 2 of Hearts, and then 3 of Hearts. Kasi sila yung papalipat-lipatin natin mamaya. So, ang gagawin lang natin, kunin lang muna natin itong tatlong cards na to. Yan. Then, papile up natin siya into 3. So, isa dito, isa dito, isa dun sa kabila. So, syempre, yung nasa pinakataas natin is the 3 of Hearts. So, si 3 of Hearts, dito natin siya ilalagay. Next, we have si 2 of Hearts. Yan. Si 2 of Hearts, sa gitna natin siya ilalagay. Yan. Then, yung sa last natin, which is the Ace of Hearts, lagay natin siya dito. Yan. Tapos, itong natirang barahan natin, ito yung natawag nating elevator. Pag pinrest natin itong taas, yung card na nasa ibaba, mapupunta sa taas. Pag pinrest natin itong nasa baba, yung card na nasa itaas, mapupunta naman sa nasa baba. So, kunin natin si Ace of Hearts. Lagay natin siya sa taas. Yan. Tapos, since eto si Ace of Hearts, lagay natin siya sa baba. So, pakita lang natin na makakataas siya. So, press the up button, snap, then this is your Ace of Hearts. Kunin naman natin si 2 of Hearts, press natin si down button, then snap, nasa baba na si 2 of Hearts. So, syempre, traveler's card, pupuntahin natin yung card na nandito, which is the 3 of Hearts, dito naman sa nasa taas. So, tap nyo lang. Yan. Then, this is now your 3 of Hearts. So, that's it for our video lesson for today. I hope you learned something. And if you have a video request, please write it in the comment section below. God bless everyone.